Hello everyone. In today's class we are talking about Tig welding, also called tungsten inert gas welding. Okay, the gas at which we are using to weld is called an argon gas. So Tig welding is a welding process that uses an unconsumable electrode to create an arc. For our case, our non-consumable electrode is the tungsten. The consumable electrode is our wire. So this is consumable, but for our case, this is non-consumable. So we also have the different parts of a TIG welding machine. We have the tungsten, we have the shielding gas, we have the filler rod, we have the arc formation, which is now a different style when you're doing when you're welding, which is we also call the weaving technique. Also have the welding. We like using TIG welding because it gives us high quality weld and also very precise. We also use when welding aluminium and stainless steel. TIG welding has an advantage because it can be able to weld even thin metal by adjusting the amperage and also the voltage. The uses of TIG welding machine can be used in aerospace, construction, food industry, and also pipeline industries when welding pipes. We also have different parts of TIG welding. Here we have the shielding gas, which is the argon gas. Of course, we have the pressure gauge. We have our machine, which is ISAB 2200 high. It has the coolant below here. We have the torch, which is here. We also have the filler rods, which is the one we use when welding. We also have the tungsten. The tungsten is inside here, and mostly we use a grinder to sharpen the tungsten so that we can get precise welding. And when you're grinding it, you should be able to use your safety gear, which is on the clear one. But when you're welding, you don't use this. Use our automatic helmets, and should also have the gloves for protection of a lot of it. Also, you should have an apron to also to protect you from excess light. And then you should have a clamp on your base so that the welding can be continuous, because for our case this is our positive. When you're testing, you should be able to hear the sound of the gas. For our case, we have not opened the gas, so you'll hear the sound of a gas. That's a sign that we are having our gas on our torch.